So today on our Sauced and Sauced short, we're going to give you a really simple recipe for an easy pasta dough that you can use pretty much for raviolis, dumplings, all sorts of fantastic things. This is a good way to make pasta at home pretty easily. So for this, we're going to use 1 whole egg and 2 egg yolks. We have a very simple recipe. 2 egg yolks, 1 whole egg, 3/4 of a cup of semolina flour, 1.5 cups of all-purpose flour, some salt, a little bit of oil, and if we need, a little bit of water. Very simple. We're going to mix it together and knead the dough for about 10 minutes. We've kneaded our dough to a nice consistency. It has enough bounce and give, but it's still pretty firm. We've built up enough gluten into it. And we're going to wrap it with plastic and let it sit in the fridge for about a half hour to rest. And there you go. We've let our pasta dough rest for about 30 minutes to hydrate, and now we're going to roll it out, run it through our machine, and make some pasta. There you have simple fettuccine. Now just take these, toss them with a little bit of semolina, and you can set them aside. That simple. So there you have it, a fresh pasta recipe. It takes a little bit of time, but it's well worth it. You can always go out and get your specialty dry-aged pastas like I get, or you can go to your grocery store, get these. They cook for about 12 minutes a piece, or these cook about a minute in boiling water, heavily salted. Always make sure of that, and then toss them straight into your sauce.